this is what I'm cooking today. Ooh, steaming. Steaming pork. And this is the thing that I need to throw in the pot in a little while. So I've got everything chopped up there. So we're having pork for din din today. Just stir around my pot a little bit. It smells so good. Can I tell you how good it smells? I probably need to add a bit more browning because that's looking a bit white. And we don't too like the white meats around here.
My flesh, they stumbled and fell.
Yeah, so now that dinner is on the way, I'm gonna go and do some journaling and stuff like that. I need to fill out my planner, see what I've executed today that was in the planner. I'm definitely trying to keep on top of this thing. Then I'm gonna do my Bible journal, my prayer journal, do all the little bits and bobs in there that I need to do. Then I'm gonna do my budget planner and see what I've spent today, see what's going on with my budgeting. And then I'm going to, that's it really. I'm just going to fill out those 3 books, those 3 journals, those 3 planners, diaries, whatever you want to call them. It's just good. It's proper good. Like, it proper keeps you on top of things. You know what you're doing, what your next move is, how your money's moving. Your relationship with God grows because you're doing a journal, a prayer journal. So you get to read the word, get to eat the word, you get to literally dive into the word of God. So that's really good. I'm going to be on social media for a little bit, talking to my cousin, and that's it really. Eat, chill, relax. Probably come talk to you guys for a little bit, or I'm going to try my very best to remember to end the vlog today. That's what I need to actually do, end the vlog. I need to end the vlog. So yeah, come along with me, see me pen out a few things. You won't actually see what I'm writing because that's my personal, but you'll see me writing. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, let's go write. Let's go exercise these fingers. Come on, me Jules, let's go. Oh, watch ya. I need to put on a lid. I need to find a pot. A lid. Okay, it's not there, so it must be. It's not there either. I don't know where all of our lids have disappeared to. It's a bit crazy. Where is the lids? That's a big lid. I'll be back, guys. I need to find the lid for this. I need to find the lid for the I need to find the lids. Where's the lids? Okay, this is my lip gloss bag, guys. My lip gloss bag. I got so much lip gloss in here. This is my lip gloss from my brand. But I am rebranding. But if you want them, I still have them in stock, guys. So message me. They're £4 each. I'm a lip gloss lover. I love. One of my subscribers was like, one thing about you, Jules, I know you love your lip gloss, you know. And it's true. I have a whole lip gloss bag. Like, who does that? Who has a whole lip gloss bag? Like, look how much lip gloss. Lip gloss there, lip gloss in here. Like, love a lip gloss. This is why I got a lip gloss brand. I am rebranding. brand, and I can't wait to actually bring out my one that I actually hand make, because the flavors honey, the names honey, listen, the flavors has got me so gassed. I can't wait to introduce my brand of lip glosses to you guys, but please do go head over to my business page. I'm trying to close back this bag, so big, so packed up I should say. It's tidy man, and my best friend gave me the bag. Big up you bestie, yeah. But head over to Instagram and add my business page, the Pretty Dolls Vibe. Can't wait to release the lip glosses. We do sell candles. Make sure you purchase a candle, okay? Our candle be smelling so buff. Y'all don't know, you guys don't know, but yeah, I had to plug myself. You have to plug yourself. I need to get some lotion. So as I promised, I've come back to end the vlog. I've just come off for 3 hours and 10 minutes on live. I've said that I'll be coming on live every other Friday from 8 p.m. till 11 p.m. UK time, so you can check me out, okay? The next live will be next week Friday at 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. so please do check into the live. What else? I'm on Clubhouse. Add me on Clubhouse, Julsztymm, but with 3 M's. Complicated story, I'll explain that later. Add my new well, not my new Instagram, but I've got an Instagram dedicated to food. Add my food Instagram, Julsz Eat. Add my Instagram, Julsztymm. I'm out of breath. Why am I out of breath? Just add me on all my socials. I'm really tired. That's probably why I look like this. I love you guys. I love my old Julsz, my new Julsz, my in-between Julsz. Just continue supporting your girl, continue pushing your girl. Remember, we want to hit the 10,000, the 20,000, the 100,000, the 1 million subscriber mark. So continue supporting me. Share my videos with your friends, your colleagues, everyone that you know. That is how you can show me the love and the support. Watch all my videos. Turn on your bell notifications on always, so you never miss another post from me. What else? There's just so much to talk about, but I'm really tired, so I'll talk to you tomorrow. But as I promised, I did say I want to come and make sure I end the vlog, so I'm ending the vlog. I love you guys, my old Julsz, my new Julsz, my old Julsz, my new Julsz, my in-between Julsz, and my good timers. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow, or I'll see you in another vlog. But girl is tired, I need to go to sleep. But I like keeping the promise, and I'm always saying, oh, I'm gonna come end the vlog, I'm gonna come end the vlog. So I'm coming to really end the vlog, yeah? So good night guys, love you, good night, bye.